KTM has officially revealed the new 2026 1390 Super Duke RR, an even more extreme evolution of the Super Duke R, designed as a lightweight, track-focused flagship. Production is strictly limited to just 350 units worldwide. Right from the start, KTM emphasizes its aggressive approach to weight reduction. The RR is 11 kilograms lighter than the Super Duke R, tipping the scales at 189 kilograms without fuel. This reduction is achieved through extensive use of carbon fiber components, contributing both to performance and its race-inspired design. Powering the machine is the familiar 1350cc LC8 V-twin engine, delivering 190 PS and 145 Newton-meters of torque, carried over from the standard R model, but tuned for uncompromised performance. Handling is sharpened with WP Pro component suspension, featuring MotoGP-derived technology for enhanced adjustability and precision. The bike also rides on forged wheels wrapped in Michelin Power GP Hypersport tires, improving grip and agility at high speeds. Braking performance is upgraded with Brembo High-Pure front calipers, replacing the Stylema units found on the R model, while a twin-piston Brembo rear caliper remains in place. Electronics are managed by KTM's most advanced tech pack, including motor slip regulation, Quick Shifter Plus, Suspension Pro, engine brake control, adaptive brake light, and cruise control. A major highlight is the new 8.8-inch touchscreen TFT display, featuring telemetry, lap timing, and dedicated track mode functions. The RR also introduces a new Beast mode, designed to unlock the bike's most aggressive performance characteristics alongside its existing ride modes and ABS systems. With its reduced weight, upgraded components, and advanced electronics, the 1390 Super Duke RR stands as KTM's most focused and extreme hypernaked to date.